efficient scheduling of resource allocation, quality management, ensuring the consistent product standards and defect reductions are met, inventory and supply chain, managing raw materials, warehousing and distribution, costing and pricing, human resource management, and the marketing sales. That's the presentation.
Good afternoon once again. On Monday, I'll be taking you through classification of fabrics. And we are going to start in the problem. I'll start by asking what you understand by the term textile fabric. Can anyone explain? Textile fabric? Yes, Susan?
The material made by weaving, knitting, infecting.
Good. That's true. Textile fabric are materials made from fibers, yarn, threads that are woven, knitted, or otherwise constructed into a two-dimensional frame. They are used to create a wide range of products, including clothing, accessories, upholstery, and industrial textiles. The textile fabric can be classified into categories, which are categories according to origin, category according to construction and methods, and category classification according to end use. I'll be taking you through classification according to origin also. Origin or source refers to the source from which the fiber is obtained. For example, wool is obtained from sheep, cotton is obtained from, and linen is from, and silk is obtained from silkworm. That's good. So we will start by classifying natural fibers. Can anyone give me a type of a natural fiber? Yes? Cotton fiber. Yes, Mr. Douglas. Wool. known for durability and wrinkle resistance, while nylon is a strong and versatile synthetic fiber used in outdoor gear, activewear, and hosieries. And acrylics, this one, is a synthetic fiber used in clothing that requires flexibility, such as swimwear and sportswear. While air spandex is a stretchy synthetic fiber used in clothing that requires flexibility, such as swimwear and sportswear. Yes, let's look at blended fibers. The third one is blended fibers. Many textile fibers are made from blends of natural and synthetic fibers, which combines the benefit of each type. For example, we have cotton polyester blend, where you combine a cotton fabric, a cotton material, and a polyester material. And then we have a wool synthetic blend, where you combine wool and synthetic material. Cotton polyester blend combines the comfort of cotton with the durability of polyester, while wool synthetic blend add warmth and durability to wool with synthetic fiber. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for your cooperation.
Afternoon. We are going to continue with the classification of fibers. I'm going to look at to classify fibers according to construction levels. Now, according to construction methods, we have woven fabrics. Woven fabrics are treated by interlacing two sets of yarn at right angles. In one example of woven fabric, we have the denins. We have all come across denins, yes? Right?
Yes.
We know how those fibers are interlaced. Another one, we have the knit fabrics. Knit fabrics are created by interlacing rows of yarn such as t-shirts, sweaters, or even socks. We have also seen a knitted fabric. Yes. Another one we have non-woven fabrics. These are created by bonding fibers together without weaving or knitting. For example, we have this. We are going to classify fibers according to the end use or fashion. In end use, we have apparel fabric used for clothing. For example, we have cotton and silk. We use cotton and silk. We have all clothes made of cotton and clothes made of silk. Another one, we have home furnishing fabrics. For example, we use curtain, upholstery, bed linens. We use canvas and jacquard fabrics. You know them. The last one, we have industrial fabrics used for technical purposes. For example, we have the fireproof fabrics and geotextile. I'm going to invite the next presenter to look at the properties of textile fabrics.
I'm Susan Oroba from Group 4, and I'm going to take you through the properties of textile fabrics. ability of the fabric to withstand stress and tension before breaking, influencing its durability. We have the color retention, that's the other properties. The ability of the fabric to retain its color over time, especially after washing or exposure to sunlight. We have luster, the degree of shyness or reflective of a fabric contributing to its aesthetic appeal. I think that's the end of my presentation. Have you learned something? Yes. What have you learned? Okay, tell me the properties then. Yeah. I can see you understood. Appreciate yourself. I welcome the announcer. Please let me continue.
My name is Ruth and I will take you through the uses of fabrics. Who can tell me one use of a fabric that they know? Uses of fabric. Yes, Christabel. Yes, to make garments, appreciate hats. Another person? Yes, Yvonne.
To make accessories.
Yes, appreciate Yvonne. To make accessories. Which accessories can be made from fabric?
Scarves.
Bags, earrings, hats. Yes. So one use of a fabric is for aesthetic use. So for aesthetic use, we have fabrics like the silk and silklet. So you know those kind of fabrics, the way they are. Another function is for functionality use. And for functionality, like fabrics like the denim and twill are chosen for their strength and long-lasting nature. Another use is for cultural and symbolic use. And for cultural and symbolic use, for example, the traditional wear. For example, the garment that group that made, I guess it was group 2, like for the traditional wear that they made for the wedding. So you know that they use the brown color. So for certain fabrics like the template that is in Ghana, and for in Kenya we have the kikoi. So you all know the kikois.
Yes.
They hold the cultural value. And for ceremonial use, like the silk or brocade, is often used in wedding and religious garments. So another use for fabric is for sustainability use. We have sustainability. And
some of the tips for fabric care. And we have different tips. I have some diagrams with me. Just tell me what this symbolizes. To care for fabric, you see a diagram like this one. What does it mean? Yes, Yvonne? Washing. Washing. This is a symbol for washing. Appreciate her. We have another symbol. What does this symbol mean? Iron, correct. And we have another symbol. What does this one mean? Yes, bleach. We have this symbol. What does that one mean? Dry plant. Yes. So for these symbols, this means we say this is for washing. But if you see the symbol crossed, what does this one mean? Do not wash. So for the sake of that fabric, if you see this symbol, it means that the fabric should not be washed, right? Then for this one, you might find these dots. Some one is dotted 2, another is dotted 3, and even less. What does this one mean? Hot iron. For 2 symbols, it means medium, and this one is the lowest heat to be used, right? Then another one, you find it is crossed to mean not iron, correct? For this one, it supports bleaching, but if you see the symbol of cross, it means it is not bleach. This one, it symbolizes it should dry blood. Okay, we have other symbols like stain removal. For the stains, you need to remove the stains immediately to prevent future damage of the garment. In case of a stain on a garment, you should use stain removal, detergents, and ensure you test it from a hidden point of the garment before exposing the stain removal detergent. Are we together? We also, another care is storage. For storage, ensure you store garments according to the quality of the fabric. For example, store in a cool, dry place and avoid storing fabrics in humid or hot environment. Hot environments leads to bleaching or fading of some garments, right? We also have during garment construction. You should take care of different fabrics while you construct. For example, ensure your hands are clean while you're making a garment to prevent staining. Ensure your work area is also clean and you use a clean surface. And ensure you use proper tools on different garments.